Hi Unity fans, today I can announce the first version of my third-person low-poly game kit on the Unity Asset Store, which you can download and use for free. It contains over 40 low-poly meshes, a third-person character with controllers and animations, a camera follow script, an inventory, health bar, and many prefabs that you can use out of the box. There are two demo scenes included that you can start with. The first one is a simple scene that contains just the required components. The second one is a full demo with all the models and features of the framework. In the documentation is explained how to set up your project with good graphics quality. It is recommended to use the free post-processing stack asset from the asset store and to set the color space in the project settings to linear. Other features are using custom inventory items or the API of the health bar. The asset is in version 0.5, so it is under heavy development, and the next planned features are improvements for the inventory, a better management for the player's health and achievements, adding more low-poly models and animations, enemies, AI and a quest system. And please keep in mind that it is a free asset and that I want to keep it available for free. So think about supporting me on my Patreon to make it possible and help this game kit grow. Thanks a lot for watching and supporting this channel, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon on JNM.